Sedap. Sedap Giler. Hello, hi, my name is Matthew from Kata Coffee Academy, and I'm here to try a brown sugar salted caramel latte. Let's see the ice first. We've got milk, we've got 40 grams of our pati espresso, and we've got a mixture of whipping cream, brown sugar and salt we've prepared already mixed together. First we're going to add the milk. Pati espresso. You can smell it already. And finally, brown sugar, cream and salt together there. Let's see how it's going to be. So with the whipping cream, salt and brown sugar, for those with a sweet tooth, maybe you like sweet drinks, maybe you like caramel macchiatos, this could be just the thing for you. Let's mix it together now carefully. Oh, it's so full, it's overflowing. Sedap. Sedap Giler. Get that sweet brown sugar salted feeling coming through at the end. Delicious. So we're using 40 grams of pati espresso, bottled pure espresso. Delicious. Get it yourself. Try your own recipes. Thank you for watching. Come again. Selamanya kopi.